Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing some free courses that are offered by Accenture through which you can develop your digital skills which are necessary to get a job or start your own online business. So we'll be seeing what are those free courses and how to enroll in it. Before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and the other online events. So now let's see the courses. So the first one is Digital Skills Artificial Intelligence. So by taking this course, you will discover the ability of artificial intelligence, which is commonly known as AI, to transform your everyday life and reshape the way you work. And more than 78,000 students have already taken this course, and the duration of this course is approximately 3 weeks. You have to spend 2 hours every week for 3 weeks. So 3 to 6 hours. So you have nearly 6 hours of content in this course, and it's a self-paced course. You can even complete the course at one single day or 2 days, whatever you want, at your own pace. And here's a free digital upgrade for you after completing the course. You will get a free certificate after completing the course from Accenture. So let's see what are the topics that will be covered in this course. So just click on topics here, and here are the things that you'll be learning in this course. So you will learn what is artificial intelligence and where did it come from, and you will learn about AI in action. You will learn the impact of AI on individuals, and you will learn how the relationship has changed between artificial intelligence and humans. So these are the topics that will be covered in this course, and the first course which we have seen now is artificial intelligence course. It's offered by Accenture, as I said. Next one is digital skills, digital marketing course. So in this course, you will learn about all the different digital marketing strategies and techniques that are available for businesses now to use. And nearly 2 lakh students have already taken this course. And the total duration of this course is around 4 hours. So it's a self-paced course. Again, you can complete it even in one day, straight 4 hours, or you can complete it on 2 weeks. It's up to you. And you will get a free digital upgrade, that is a digital certificate after completing the course. Let's see what are the topics that will be covered in this particular course. So in this course, you will learn the digital marketing basics. You will learn about display marketing, and you will learn about PPC marketing, which is pay-per-click marketing. And you will learn about the digital marketing techniques like SEO, that is search engine optimization. You will learn about email marketing techniques, and you will learn how to integrate these techniques and make use of it to the fullest. So these topics will be covered in this digital marketing course. So this is the second one. Third course is user experience course, digital skills, user experience, and more than 87,000 students have already taken this course. And in this course, you will learn about why user experience is important, and you will learn about the research and design basics, and you will learn the tools and testing techniques used in user experience. So the total duration of this course is around 6 hours, and you will get a free certificate after completing the course. Let's see what are the topics covered in this course. So you will learn why is user experience important. You will learn about the foundations of UX design. It's what is good usability, and you will learn about the importance of user research, user journeys. So you will learn all those basics about user experience, and you will learn about the tools and testing techniques used in user experience. So these are the topics that will be covered in this course, digital skills, user experience. So this is the third one. Let's move on to the fourth course now, which is digital skills for work and life. So in this course, you will learn how digital is changing our personal and professional lives, and you will develop the skills to thrive in the digital world of work. And the total duration of this course is around 2 hours. And you will get a certificate as well, like other courses. And let's see what are the topics covered. Here it is. So by taking this course, you will understand the real meaning of digital. You will learn how digital is integrated in our day-to-day lives, and you will learn how digital is changing the world of work and the opportunities and challenges it brings. So a lot of topics will be covered in this course. You can see everything here, and all these courses are actually accredited by CPD certification service. You can know more about that here. So this is the fourth course, right? Digital skills for work and life. So before we see the remaining four courses, I just want to tell you about this Coursera monthly plan offer, through which you can get unlimited access to 3,000 plus courses in Coursera platform. So Coursera is one of the best e-learning platform in which you can get courses offered by top companies like Google, and most of the top universities also offer courses in Coursera, like Duke University, HEC Paris, John Hopkins. So the content will be very good and you can make use of it. And if you take their monthly plan offer, you can save a lot of money and you can get unlimited certificates as well. And I'll just show you the comparison now. So here is the comparison. If you take any single program, I mean any single course in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with the monthly plan, you just have to pay 4,352, and you will get 1 month access to all the 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certification programs in Coursera. And apart from that, you can earn unlimited certificates as well. There is no limit, no restrictions. It's up to your potential, and you can develop job relevant skills. And there are more than 15 professional certification programs which are offered by companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and a lot more. You can also make use of that using this monthly plan offer. So basically you can save your money and you can learn and you can earn unlimited certificates if you choose this monthly plan offer. So if you have any idea about buying a course, just change that, take this monthly plan, and get a lot more courses for 1 month. If you plan accordingly, if you plan what are the courses that you need to complete in this 1 month before taking it, I can definitely say then this will be useful for you. So if you want, just make use of it. I just want to share this, and if you want to do any good for me, if you want to support me, you can just use the link that I have given in description. So make use of it if you want. Let's see the fifth course now, which is digital skills mobile. So in this course you will learn about mobile design, development, and creating mobile experiences, and you will also learn some advanced concepts related to mobile technology in this course. Nearly 46,000 students have taken this course, and the total duration is around 4 hours, and it's a self-paced course. It's up to you, the speed and everything, and you will get a free digital upgrade, that is a digital certificate, after completing the course. And let's see what are the topics covered in this particular course. So you will learn what is mobility and the benefits of mobility, mobile technology growth, and you will learn about wearable technology. You will learn about mobile design principles, the Internet of Things. So a lot of topics related to mobile will be covered in this course. You can just make use of it and learn about mobile technology. So this is the fifth course, digital skills mobile. Sixth one is digital skills retail. So in this course, you will, you can learn about the digital skills that are required for retail industry, and you will learn how the digital world has impacted the retail industry as well. For 34,000 students, nearly 34,000 students have taken this course so far, and the duration is around 6 hours, and you will get a free certificate after completing the course. Let's see the topics. And you will learn about retail in the digital age and creating new customer experiences in this course. You will learn about the power of customer data and using data behind the scenes, and you will learn about the retail in a connected world, automation, AI, and the future of retail industry. So all these topics will be covered in this course. You can just make use of it. Digital skills retail. Let's move to the seventh course in the list. Digital skills social media. So in this course, you will learn how to use social media for business. More than 1,35,000 students have already taken this course, and approximate duration is around 2 to 3 hours. You can just complete it, and you will get a certificate as well. And let's see what are the topics available for you in this course. So you will learn what is social media. You will learn about target groups. You will learn about social media channels, managing your social media presence. You will get a lot of social media tips, and business connection, and you will learn about the importance of performance measurement, social media listening. So all these topics will be covered in this course. You can just go through all the details here. It has a good rating of 4.7. So this is the seventh course, digital skills social media. And the last course, that is the eighth one, is web analytics course. So in this course you will learn about the role of web analytics in business, and you will learn about the different types of analytics, and you will learn how to use different techniques as well. 65,000 students, more than 65,000 students have already taken this course, and the duration is around 4-5 hours, and it's a free course. You don't have to pay for anything, and you will also get a free certificate after completing the course. Let's see what are the topics covered in this web analytics course. So here it is for you. So you will explore the different types of analytics and why they are important for business, and you will learn about segmentation, benchmarking. You will learn the 5 steps to creating a measurement plan, and you will also learn to apply analytics by looking at some challenges for business. So you will learn about a lot of things related to analytics in this course, so you can just make use of it. So this is the 8th course and the last one in this list. So we have seen 8 different courses which can help you develop your digital skills. So now let's see how to enroll in these courses. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses. So now let's just enroll in this digital marketing course. Here it is. So just click on this join now button, and then you will be redirected to the register page like this. So first we need to create our account, right? So for that you can use your Facebook account or Google account to create an account in this platform, or else you can just type in the details here and click on the register button to create your account. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So once you register your account in this platform, you will see something like this. We have sent a link to your mail address. So you will get a mail like this from FutureLearn. What you have to do is just click on this confirm your email address button, and your email address will be verified, and then you can just go to the platform and take the course, and you can see the list here itself. So this is the course in which we enroll now, and you can see here, thank you, we have confirmed that your mail address is this. And now you can just click on the course and start learning for free. So this is how you need to enroll in the course. You can see here, this is a 2-week course, so you can see your progress, activity, everything here. So I hope you'll find this video useful. We have seen 8 free courses that are offered by Accenture to develop your digital skills. As I said, I hope you'll find this useful. If you want to get more information about free online courses, you can subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon, so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.